Good morning, new 1%. It's Satoshi Boomin coming at you with another video. Guys, please hit that like button and that subscribe button. 50% of you that watch my videos are not subscribed. What are you doing, man? Hit that button so you never miss a Vechain update, guys. We got these updates daily. We're going to get right into the show today. I got my hot tea and honey locked and loaded, ready to go. Let's get right into it. Just a quick update on Vechain, guys. Not too much news going on in the space. It looks like, they're taking a break. Still New Year hangover. Yeah, let's get into it. So, looking at the VITRO burn, yesterday we burned about 4.3 million. Today we burned about 3 million. Still kind of low. The main net has been taking our little rest here for the past week. Hopefully we can pump those numbers up soon. Moving on. Taking a look at the price here, guys, we're up about 2.9% after a dump yesterday. It's just moving with the markets here. Looks like the markets are slowly starting to recover from yesterday's dump. Vechain moves with the markets. And I had a couple of questions. Some people asked me on Twitter and on my comment section below, what's the best way to make money in cryptocurrency? Like, people, is it trading? Is it, yield farming? Is it, buying low and selling high? In my opinion, guys, just hodling, doing your own research, picking coins that actually have use case, that have, their creators front and center, and, just having conviction, buying and holding. That is, the paramount reason that I've made so much money in crypto. And that is like the main reason that I've made so much money in crypto. The more you do, the less money you make, in my opinion. If I would have just bought and hold, let's just say Bitcoin, back when I started a couple of years ago, I could have probably had multiple Bitcoin. But I wanted to trade. I wanted to dip my toe in this coin and that coin and this coin and that coin, and that, caused me to lose thousands of dollars in crypto. In my whole crypto journey, I've lost literally thousands of dollars just by trading different coins, trying to catch pumps, trying to catch dumps, panic selling. I've done all those things. And from the data that I've gathered, the easiest way to make money in crypto is just to hodl. Hodl good coins. It's really not that hard. Now, I know the noobs are like listening to this right now saying, man, I ain't really trying to hear all that. I'm trying to make the most money. I'm trying to flip. I'm trying to be a trader. I get it. I thought that same way too. But now my life is just so much less stressful when I just buy the coins I like and forget about them. I literally buy and forget. The only time I look at charts nowadays is to do research for my videos. I don't even look at charts anymore because, that that stuff is for newbies who are not used to the up and down cycles of the market. I've been in the market long enough now to know that markets go up and they come down. And in crypto, it's amplified by like 10. So just for my mental health, buying and holding is the way to go. I'd recommend all noobs do that. I'm not a financial advisor, so do what you want with your own money. And this is not financial advice, but that's just a tip out there for newbies, new traders, just getting into the crypto space. Just hodl, man. Just hodl. You'll save so much money by doing that. All right, guys. So Vechain here, still at 5 cents. Nothing really much to talk about with the price here. Hopefully, if the markets go up, Vechain will go up with it. You know how it goes. All right, so we have a quick video here. There's no music. There's no voice. Nobody speaking in the video. But this is a really good video by the Vechain Thor community. Shout out to them. They make really, really good sort of marketing videos for Vechain. I wanted to showcase this one. It's pretty awesome. Let's take a look. That was amazing production right there. Amazing production value, and it shows without words exactly what Vechain does: tracking and tracing wines and interconnecting the world. People will be using Vechain and not even knowing it. We see that right now, guys. We see that right now, and the future is clear. So shout out to Vechain Thor community for this amazing video here, and yeah. You know, the community is getting stronger. The Vechain army is getting bigger by the day, and it's so good to see. Speaking of the Vechain community, MYBABY here, an amazing member of the Vechain community, puts out that fire news from time to time. They are creating a coding tutorial on how to code on the Vechain Thor blockchain, guys. If you want to check this out, I will leave this in the description below. They have a couple of videos up here right now. Let's take a look. If we go here, they started this a week ago. So the first video was coding on the Vechain Thor network, how to install a Vechain Thor node on Linux. So this walks you through it. And then the second video in the series is installing a Vechain Thor node on Windows. So if you're interested in learning about how to code in Vechain, how to create decentralized applications, go ahead and follow this series here by MYBABY83. Go ahead and follow that person on Twitter as well. And yeah, that would be awesome for any of you prospective developers out there who wants to get in just a little bit more and rummage around in the code and create something good. So shout out to these guys. Moving on here, guys, not too much left to go. Vechain developers work on Uniswap fork on top of the Vechain Thor network. So we already talked about this ad nauseum pretty much, but this is important. Okay, this is the big news of the day, big news of the week. Everybody wants this. So the decentralized exchange, Vex Exchange, will allow Uniswap-style liquidity to be provided on Vechain. Developers will create bridge for Ethereum tokens to be migrated on over to Vechain. Absolutely greatness. You know, this is exactly what we need just for competitive reasons. I mean, Vechain is a blockchain dedicated to enterprise solutions, but, you know, Vechain was built as an Ethereum scaling solution, not as Ethereum scaling solution, but as a competition to Ethereum for scaling. So if we're going to be competition for Ethereum, we need decentralized applications. We need to be able to swap. We need decentralized exchanges. We need DeFi in order to just be competitive. So with nearly 40 billion in total value locked, competitors are piling to take a slice of the DeFi market. Vechain can soon enter the race and introduce one of the most widely used decentralized applications on Ethereum, Uniswap, with their own version on the Vechain Thor blockchain. This is greatness. They're going to be using Vex Exchange. Vex Exchange is going to be getting a update, and I am excited. Hopefully, there will be some nice decentralized applications on the Vechain Thor blockchain that won't take $50 darn to interact with. That would definitely be greatness. Doing anything on Ethereum right now is, yeah, crazy. Absolutely crazy. So, this is awesome, guys. Shout out to Vex Exchange. Shout out to all the devs. I'll keep you up to date once we get more info. Yes, so I wanted to talk about this, guys. So Vechain, shout out to the Redditor who posted this, but Vechain and its Vechain, its community, and its search volume has gone parabolic in 2021. Absolutely crazy, guys. These are, if we can see here, the total visits to just vechain.org has skyrocketed in January alone this year. But as we can see, the Vechain family is growing each and every day. I love it. Like, we're seeing new faces, especially on my videos each and every day. The traffic sources are up by 22%, 23% referrals, 52% is search volume. So people are searching for Vechain. They're trying to know what this magical coin is all about, guys. The search terminology for Vechain has gone up 169% organically, guys. This is crazy. VET coin up 562%. So people are trying to search out Vechain. People are wanting to know what this magical coin is. And, you know, the Vechain family, I say it each and every day, is the best family in crypto. Let's give these noobs a hand clap of praise for wanting to know what a real coin is. And let's welcome them with open arms, because there's going to be a lot more coming in. And lastly, as well, how we know that Vechain is growing and continuing to grow. February 12th, Vechain Reddit has reached 80K subscribers. Absolutely crazy, guys. You know, we're up to 83,000 subscribers. That number just keeps growing. I mean, we had 10,000 subscribers darn near each month here. You know, I can't wait to see where we're going to be at the end of the year. And this is just good. This is just a testament to Vechain. It's a testament to the Vechain family. And yeah, let's keep it up, guys. The writing's on the wall for me. You ain't got to tell me nothing. Moving on. All right, last story of the day, guys. We have Hacking Club here. They have a new fiat on ramp. Okay, so you can buy Hacking token, which is a Vechain Thor community token here. You can buy it on Simplex CC. Okay, so Hacking Post, we are very excited to announce our collaboration with Simplex CC. The integration is the first step of listings on top exchanges. So this is a fiat on-ramp. You don't need an exchange in order to buy this. You could just go on Simplex and buy Hacking with your Visa, credit card, debit card, anything without going to an exchange. Thank you to our wonderful Patreon subscribers: AJ, Brett Garlic House, Matt Harris, Sergio, Lassie Nielsen, The Fern Line, Jeffrey, Ethan, AmericanHomeRemedies.com, Maryland for Crypto, Boost Wayne, Fruz Den, Brady Adams, Joe Jimenez, Kyle Bocci, CryptoSVT.si, Eric Parr, at Dig the Voice, For the People, HBDSouthBay.com, Daniel 8, Crypto Chemtrails. Thank you so much for your wonderful Patreon support, guys. Not too much news in the Vechain community. You know, it's been a pretty slow week. But that's okay. We have fast weeks, we have slow weeks. It ain't nothing new under the sun, baby. We have 1,175 days to the next Bitcoin block halving, guys. And taking a look at the markets, it looks like it's recovering just a little bit from yesterday's dump. I know that a lot of people were kind of shocked at how fast crypto dumps. If you're a noob, guys, you know, we could get hit with a 30% dump today, and I would not even be phased. Actually, if we got hit with a 30% dump, I think that'd be a good time to buy some more, because we see that prices have gone kind of parabolic if we think about it. I mean, things have been going crazy right now. So let's take a look here at anything super special. I don't think that nothing's going up too crazy. I mean, Kasuma's up 39%. Bitcoin Gold is up for some reason. People are buying Bitcoin Gold again. That's cool. Digibyte is up 20%. Icon is up 20%. Nothing really going up too crazy. Let's take a look at any dumps. Nothing. Alright, guys. Well, I love you. Don't let your memes be dreams. And I will talk to you tomorrow. Have a great day, guys. Bye.